If you want to build credibility and professionalism into your Mighty network, this video is for you. We're going to look at steps that will help you polish and build trust into your network. I'm Marcia Chadley, a certified Mighty Network expert, and these are the recommendations that I share with my consulting clients. Let's start by looking at the URL for your Mighty network. That's part of every link that you're going to share into your network, and it's key to a professional image. Here you can see the default URL for a Mighty network, one that's put on your network straight out of the box. It ends in .mn.co. A simple step to improve credibility is to change from that default URL to a custom domain, or to use a custom subdomain. A related helpful change is to customize the email domain used for email notifications that are sent through the platform. This is currently available for hosts on the Growth Plan and higher. The default is to use the networks.mn.co address, as you can see here in this Daily Digest. Using a custom email domain like the one you see here in this Daily Digest provides improved deliverability. There's a better chance that your email is going to go to an inbox versus a spam folder, and it has more professional branding. Displaying your terms and conditions alongside the Mighty policies on the landing page and during registration builds trust and adds to the professionalism of your Mighty network. Paying attention to the overall look, to the visual aesthetic of your Mighty network is important. Colors, icons, space banners, and images convey the energy of your network, the different energies depending on what kind of Mighty network you're providing. Taking time to design your branding reflects your business credibility. Don't forget to look at things in dark mode too. You can use the Mighty network branding choices to tie your network into your overall business brand. We were just looking at Mighty network examples in the browser. The branding and the imagery also is reflected in the Mighty Networks app. Professionalism in your Mighty network is also reflected by the community management strategies you use. A shared team profile, like the one you see here, can be used for community management to provide one point of contact for members, and also a steady presence to cover any vacations or team changes that you might have. Now that you've found something to polish in your Mighty network, you're probably wondering, where do you go to make these changes? If you want to work with the custom domain name or the custom email domain name, you want to go into Network Admin and look for the Integration section. Also in Network Admin, you can open the Network Branding section and look through there to find where to set network images and color the network-wide branding. When you want to work with a particular space, say to set up its icon or imagery, banners, colors, that's when you go into a particular space and go into the Space Admin and do the settings in there. I have a separate video that walks through the steps of creating a team account for community management and also other team-based best practices when you're running a Mighty network with a team. I'll share that link in the video description. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and follow this channel. If you have questions or you like to share your ideas, I'd love to hear from you in the comments, and enjoy working with your Mighty network.